Assalamualaikum friends, here is storytelling character bundle. You can make your own story for kids or other activities. Fable collection here, Cabby, Mouse, Deer and Farmer, Mouse, Deer story and school activities. For example, you write your main title and here is a story cover. But here is a story cover. You can make more story with PNG characters. Close it and for example open this one. You see here, next is here is a character, story name and story, so you can make more better. Okay, open this one. Here is assets feed counter PNG with different AI EPS PNG SVG with different format, animal scenes. Oh, okay, big house. Next is buffalo PNG. For example, I write a angry buffalo. Create A4 size layer for a okay, you can adjust. Drag there. Write anything here and our story in this area. Depend your own choice, you can make more better design. And here is our title, buffalo walking. Okay, copy and here paste. Or right here. So you write story. Now here is many animals PNG: wolf, turkey, salmon, sheep, rooster, pig, cow, dog, donkey, but I need a monkey. No monkey. Okay, here is Cabby, AI, PNG, mouse and deer, dog. So you can make more better a story for children. Mouse, deer, here is school activity, teacher day. Okay, and here is many other essence, room, stationery, playground. Playground is this one, and here is stationery. Okay, next is room, another folder. Simply that's mean you can make a full story of children. I hope these data are useful for you. Subscribe our channel. Take care. Love. Peace.